Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on noise control with one earbud on your headphones Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So right now, if I choose to use just one earbud, I can turn on Active Noise Cancelling. But if I scroll down, click on Earbud Settings, go to Accessibility and click on Noise Controls with one earbud, I can do it. So let's check it. And here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!